public corruption trial of former Speaker of the Illinois House, Michael Madigan, is entering now its final phase.
Closing arguments starting this afternoon as prosecutors laid out their case, accusing Madigan of using his immense political power for personal gain. WGN's Julian Cruz reports from the Dirksen Federal Building.
Good evening. One down, two to go. The number of days still allotted for closing arguments, which is expected to push into Friday, with the jury possibly getting this case by Monday. It's a measure of the complexity of this political corruption trial that it took the judge nearly 2 hours to read jury instructions. They weren't working on behalf of the people of the state of Illinois, argues Assistant U.S. Attorney Julia Schwartz. They were working to enhance their power. They being co-defendants Michael Madigan and Michael McClain, on trial at the federal courthouse on a 23-count corruption indictment. Prosecutors launching their closing arguments with a PowerPoint presentation beginning with 2 words in boldface on the TV monitor: power and profit.
Power and profit, those are 2 simple words.
Former federal prosecutor and now private attorney Patrick Collins says it's all about keeping it simple.
They're trying to give the jurors a roadmap of how to talk about this case when they go back in the jury room.
Prosecutors focusing in quickly on Danny Solis, who testified during the 3-month-long trial. Madigan abused his public office, Schwartz says, and the office of Chicago Alderman Danny Solis to get business for his private law firm. Solis, the government's star witness, wearing a wire for the FBI beginning in 2016, capturing private conversations he had with Madigan and others. But this landmark political racketeering, bribery, and extortion trial presenting enormous challenges for both sides when it comes to jurors trying to sort through the complexity of all the criminal counts. But Patrick Collins says he believes Madigan's risky decision to take the witness stand could make or break the former Illinois Speaker of the House.
The jurors are either going to accept Mr. Madigan's testimony or not, and that'll make it, I think, a shorter deliberation one way or another.
Both Madigan and McClain denying any wrongdoing. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.